Hey there everyone. So I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your Android device in 6 easy steps. So the 6 easy steps are to take out live wallpaper, and if you're not a power user, to change your data to 2G, and to disable auto sync and just re-enable it when you need it, to clean up your apps, a task killer, and to disable animations. Okay, so let's get started. So, live wallpapers, sorry about that. Live wallpapers are just wallpapers that are moving all the time. Like, let's say this one right here. So there you go. You have a wallpaper that's always moving. Now, in the background, there's always a video that's playing. So what you have to do is click on wallpapers, go to gallery, or not gallery. If you want, you can go to gallery too, but if you want the default wallpapers, you go to wallpapers and just scroll to the one that you like. So I'll scroll to my original one, set, and there you go. That's one tip to speeding up. Now, next is to go and disable the 2G. So you go to settings, and you go to, sorry about that, wireless and networks. You go to mobile networks, and if you don't have a data plan, I would suggest you uncheck data enabled. That way you're not accidentally charged for something. Well, basically if you don't have Wi-Fi, it won't let you go on any sites. So you scroll down, you see where it says use 2G networks. If you're not a power user or using this phone for business, that's what you want. That's another step. And the next step is data sync. I don't know why I exited, but okay. Data sync. It is at accounts and sync. Now, I have background data checked. That way I can access the market. But I have auto synced not checked, because I don't want it to be running in the background while I'm aware of it. So, I disable background data too when I'm not using the market, because that's the only one that I need, and it saves battery also. It gives you this warning beforehand. Now, app cleanup. This is one of the biggest ones. Yeah, apps are cool, but sometimes they're a memory hog, and some of them also start on their own. So you click on menu. From the home, you click on menu, and then manage apps. And then you're taken to a list with all your apps. What you want to do to uninstall an app that you don't use, you click on the application, and not this one, since that's okay. So you go to the left where it says downloaded. The camera's not focusing to it, but it's the one all the way to the left for G2 users. And you go to one of the apps that you don't use, and on the right it says uninstall updates. On the right it says uninstall updates right here. And then, oh well, this is a default map app. So instead of uninstall updates, it'll say uninstall application. That's what you want to click for applications that you don't use. And next is a task killer. Okay. Sorry, the camera won't focus too. So here's the task killer right here. It's this little. Okay, this is the only way to focus. Sorry. So right there, I have a little task killer. So what you want to do to install it is you go to market. Oh, I just clicked on camera. So what you want to do is you go to the market and you search up advanced task killer. Now you'll be install it and you'll be brought up to this. So it'll give you a bunch of things that you want to force close. So I would also check advanced task manager. They don't check that by themselves. And you just click kill selected task. Now to make it easier, you just hold and then click on widgets. And the first one, Advanced Task Manager. That's for me, first one. And that's what you want to do. Just constantly click on it. Or I have a settings where if once I click on it, or once I turn off the screen, then it will automatically destroy all apps. Now, there's some good and bad to this, so I'm not really going to go to depth, but do your research before you download it. Now, last but not least, number 6 is to disable animations. I mean, yeah, like cool animations, but like most of the time you're the only one that uses it. And it's just an animation. So you go to menu, settings, and you go to display. Now you see something that says animations. Click on it, and if you're unsure whether to do it, whether to disable them or not, or you just, oh my goodness, or you just like still like animations, I would suggest you put it to some animations. That way some animations are still shown. I set it to no animations since I don't mind, and that has speeded up my Android device a lot. And those are 6 steps to speeding up your Android. The biggest one I would say is to clean up apps. Like many of you just download apps. Like it's like a computer. When you install too many applications, it starts to slow down unless you have a lot of RAM. And this is the G2. It's not the fastest phone. And it's not, if it was the Galaxy S2, I would be installing plenty of applications. But over here, I don't have many because I know it will slow down. As you can see, I don't have too many. And most of these are the stock applications. And I've never experienced lag on my Android ever. So I'm guessing these 6 steps are the best to speed up your Android. And thanks for watching. Subscribe.